What's good, YouTube? This your motherfucking boy, the Finesse God, J Diggy 90 motherfucker 2, coming at y'all with another motherfucking unboxing. We going ham with the unboxings and shit. It ain't as big as the last one and shit. This is coming out like a week later. I try to space them out and hit y'all with unboxings, review, unboxing, review. Like I try to space it out like that. But yeah, man, we got 2 packages, both from GOAT, and then we got some other shit. So we gonna save these for last as always, and then we gonna get into the other shit. So this first one, but before I even do that, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that like button. Make sure you subscribe to motherfucking Finesse Kicks, bro. Road to 1K. I don't know if we hit it yet or what, but we getting there slowly but surely. Shout out to the Gold Gods. This is where this is from. And if you want 10% off your order, use the code Joshua157. 10% off any motherfucking order, nigga. This shit is lit. Let's get it. But nah, man, this just some jewelry, as y'all know or may not know, depending on if you knew or not. I like chains, and I like watches, and I like bracelets, and I like rings. Anything that can be an accessory, I pretty much like. So we went ahead and bought this chain. Damn, this shit thick boy. We bought this one. It's just an all silver junk. This junk is big as fuck. It's way bigger than the one I got on now. It's cool though. This is the only size they really had. Only thing about it is I like the longer chains. I'm not into like that choker chain look. So it kind of, I'm not into like that choker look. I'm into like the more comfortable, relaxed look. I don't mind like a shorter chain, but I don't want a like dumb short chain, you know what I'm saying? To where like I look like I got a choker on. For one, my neck already thick, so like wearing a shorter chain just ain't for me. It's not as long, but it's long enough to where it'll do the job. I don't know what it is about Gold Gods and these like silver or white gold jewelry, but they don't really have any. That's the pack from the Gold Gods. I'll take that shit over later. Next up is a package from God Is Dope. It kind of took forever to get here, but it's all good. This is actually a restock on one of their most popular items. Hi, Loli. You want uppies? Want up? Come on. I got you. Come here. Well, I gotta do a review, honey. You gotta stay, okay? This is a restock from one of like the most popular items they have, and it's that fake Gucci. You like this? No, it's the fake Gucci print. A lot of people ask about this because God Is Dope keeps like posting the shirt, but they don't sell it anymore. They had like a limited ass restock and it sold out like the same day. So luckily I was able to grab it. And that's great as always. But if you're looking for that print and they keep advertising it, I don't know why they do that, but they will advertise the fuck out of that print and not sell it. So it is what it is. So this next brand is called Simply Heat. Shout out to the homie. I don't know him, but he did like, oh, this shirt fire. He did ask me personally, like he DM'd me and was like, I fuck with your vibe and everything else, and I was wondering if you would like model for us. He was like, the only thing is, all you gotta do is buy the first shirt and then we'll just keep sending you stuff as long as you keep posting our stuff. So I went ahead and bought this Kobe Slam magazine jump. This is fire. I got it in a 2X, and I pretty much got a shoe for this. I got a whole fit for this, in all honesty. I got a whole look I want to pull off. So shout out to him. I fuck with businesses and I don't mind buying the first thing. I kind of expect that, in all honesty. You're just not going to be giving out free stuff unless either your brand is like that to where you got a big ass following, or something else. So I understand how just starting might be a little difficult or whatever, and you're just reaching out to get your brand noticed. So I can respect that completely. That's why I purchased it. So shout out to him. Y'all will see the fit. But the company is called Simply Heat. Very good prices. So I'll tell y'all about quality when I actually put it on body or whatever. Alright, so next up, we got this package that took forever to get here from Chinatown Market. They recently had a drop, and it was the Erykah Badu drop. It's called Tyrone jump. He sent me some stickers. Be careful with the stickers. I just want the shirt. We can go ahead and open this up. Usually I wouldn't open it, but because I'm not doing like a clothing haul or clothing pickup one, just because it's so short, I went ahead and opened it. And this is the shirt. It is kind of big, but I like my shirts this big. It's got the Erykah Badu jump, the tie-dye 5. Erykah Badu, Chinatown Market, called Tyrone. I thought this was fire. I'm pretty sure I got something to wear with it. I know I got hella shoes, so it's not a problem finding something to wear. It's more so me finding an actual shirt to fit or match all these shoes. So, like I said, I got it in a 2X. Probably didn't need it because this one does look kind of big, but I like those flowy vibes. I don't like pretty much shirts that are too tight. So this next thing, I think I know where this is from. Yeah, and I actually kind of had problems with getting this here. So this is from the company All the Smoke, with the podcast All the Smoke with Stack 5 and Matt Barnes, and it's just these shorts right here. Now the only problem I have with these is they did not send me like a and these kind of, they breathable, but what the fuck, these shit see through as fuck a little bit. Yeah, kind of, man, you gonna see your dick print these and shit. But it's just these shorts, they look like bait for real, for real. I just wish they didn't have so much branding on it. Like, I don't mind the All the Smoke logo, but then it has like crossover culture and whatever, and then another logo like right there. I don't know if you guys can see that really, but I mean, they feel good. It's just, it took forever for me to get these. I ordered them like $4.20 and they just got here like this week, so I kind of have a problem with that. All right, so the next one is coming from, I'm pretty sure this is StockX or GOAT. I'll be able to tell you when I open the shirt. Personally, I'm probably gonna do a video on it. Graphic tees for the win is probably what I'm gonna call it. But I'm gonna break down, yeah, StockX. I'm gonna break down like where I get my graphic tees from, if the hype is real on certain shit or whatever. So this one right here, I wanted it for a minute. It's kind of out of season right now because it's like hot as fuck outside now. But if I crack this with some shorts, I know it'll still hit. And this one is motherfucking Pop Smoke long sleeve. Rest in peace to the Woo. You know what I'm saying? This shit is big as fuck. And that's because I got it in 2X. Like I said, I like my shit flowy. I like my shit vibey. It got like just smoke clouds on the sides or whatever. But I thought this was hard. Nice little long sleeve. I don't have many long sleeve shirts. So just in case, like when you hit like that 60-degree weather and shit, I'll be straight and I don't gotta throw a fucking jacket on every time. I could just throw on a shirt. So there's that. I'm sorry. There's that one. And this next one coming from, I'm pretty sure, StockX as well. Like I said, I kind of went ham on like t-shirts just because of my job. I don't remember which one this is. Just because of my job, I can wear what I want to work. Like, I wore this to work today. So that's why I bought so many graphics. And of course, Supreme right there. It's another Supreme tee. I'll be, in that video that I'm talking about, I'll be going over whether I think Supreme is worth it, whether, like, where to shop from and all that other shit. I get asked about my graphic tees all the time, so I have no problem helping you guys out. But this one is just the, and this material is kind of nice. Who is this? I forgot what shirt this is. I should have put it like at the bottom of the screen, but it's just this shirt right here. It's fire. I always wanted to play the damn saxophone. When I was growing up in school, I was on band, but they only had one saxophone, and we had to flip for it. And so it was like heads or tails. I picked tails, and it ended up being head. So I had to end up playing the funky ass trumpet. And then one of my homies ended up playing the saxophone, but I was better at trumpet than he was saxophone. So not to shit on that nigga, but you was some shit. But last up, as far as clothing wise, we got this haul from ASOS. Now I could do like a clothing haul with all these, but I just rather not. I might. It depends on how I feel. But it's actually from a brand called Actual. I just realized that these motherfuckers are fire. Like their clothing is fire, so I figured I'd go ahead and cop a lot of it. And this is from ASOS. Nosy. So this is from ASOS. This isn't the actual brand. It's just, I think personally to me, it's fire. It's just called Health on the front, and then it says a sound mind and a sound body. I just think shirts like this is fire. Like I like the plain ass shit. If you notice, like if you ever catch me like live streaming and shit, can I help you?
She's staring at me and shit.
Probably
Ear all
wondering.
jacked up. Fix your ear, punk.
I'll beat your ass.
She not gonna leave. Can you stop making racket? I'm trying to record. Thank you. So I like the plain shit. Just because, like I said, the older I get, the more I realize brands ain't shit. I can rock a fucking Old Navy tee just like a Gucci tee, and still crack that bitch like they both like the same price. So it don't really matter. As long as the material's there, I'm good. So this is from the brand I was talking about, Actual. You like it? She said, hell no. It's like that toweling, like materials, like a towel material. It just says Actual on the front. I really like this brand because they come up with some fire designs, as well as like their color blocking and color choices. To me, is like lit as fuck. So I really enjoy this brand. This next one is pretty plain. Pretty much the same shirt. Did I get that one? Yes, I did. Thank God. So it's two of the same shirts. So it's just this one. I took this one out just cause. Size 2X. All my shirts that you see here are 2X besides the Supreme. The Supreme shirts, and they don't make 2Xs. So it's just this, the plain striped tee. And I'm not gonna take the next one out. It has a logo on it, but I don't really care about the logo. It's like a very basic logo. And then this one as well. It's just pretty much the polar opposites to where it's navy, red, and cream. So I'm not gonna open that one. There's no need. And the last one is the brand Actual again, if I'm not mistaken. And it's like this shirt I really fucking wanted. And it's a fucking 3X. Hopefully it's not big as shit. And it is big as shit. But it was just like this plain corduroy A for the Actual branding. And it's just, man, fuck. This shit look huge. This shit is ginormous, dude. I might can't fade this. I might can't pull this off because this, I'm sorry, booby. You like it? You think it's too big? Look. You like it? No. She was like, nah, fam, I ain't fucking with it. But it's kind of too big because this shirt I have on right now is a 3X. And it's like, you can tell my shirt is too fucking big. Like, I like the oversized look, but sometimes it be overkill, so.
You ready to get into your shoes? Yes?
I swear this is my little daughter. So, that's all the clothes. Now we finally gonna get into the shoes. Let's go ahead and get into these shoes, man. Oh, don't smell that. She try to smell the damn knife. But, I went ahead and bought these just because I've been on like a buying wave and I've recently hopped off of it because that shit is killing my pockets. But I gotta show y'all because she might be listening. So it's just these. It's just these. So you don't know, but I'll let you smell them, booby. I promise. I'll let you smell them, okay? So those are what those are. We're gonna get into this next pair, which I'm excited about. And you will see.
You want to sniff? You want to snoofer loofer?
This is a big ass box. God damn. Ugh. So unfortunately they didn't have my size 12. So I ended up having to get a 12 and a half. And of course, Gucci don't like black people. So yeah, unfortunately I had to get a size 12 and a half. And it's all good. It's only a half size up. I wear 12s anyway, so a half size ain't gonna really kill me. So let's go ahead and get into these. Lowly sniffing. She's a sneaker kid. So here you go, boo-boo. These bitches are long as fuck.
You like them? You a sneaker head? Yeah.
So these are these. These are these. I really fuck with them. I really wanted them. I seen them on somebody's feet. Well, not on somebody's feet. I seen it like the pictures. You just stepped on my shoe, goober. And I'm gonna try these on when the camera turns off. But I really like these. I thought these was fire. It's like a little mid high top looking thing. So these are fire. And I'll tell you how they fit. I'll probably do a review. I said her review. I'll probably do a review just because I haven't seen any like on feet jumps, and I was like, I like looking at on feet photos before I buy a shoe, and it's not that many out there because not that many people are buying these, so it was kind of frustrating. But I went ahead and pulled the trigger, and I figured I'll just do it. It's just like a Jordan 1 mid, like maybe a little lower, so I'm not really tripping. I got these dead stock brand new, and yeah, it actually didn't hurt my pockets too much. I got the Gucci bags, all that shit, so it didn't hurt my pockets too much, but it is what it is. Y'all know I'm not like a hype beast, but I believe in buying myself nice shit, so that's pretty much why I purchased these. So this is the end of the unboxing. I gotta clean some shoes, and yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all like this video. Hit that thumbs up and that like button for me. I definitely and greatly appreciate it. Thank all y'all for coming through, fucking with the channel. I love y'all and I appreciate it. Shouts out to Simply Heat for reaching out to me. Definitely want to support the homie. Even though I don't know you, I call everybody the homie. So, yeah, man. That's the end of this unboxing, unbagging, whatever you gonna call it. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, that like button for me. Subscribe so you can join the motherfucking God Squad. Best squad on YouTube. Konnichiwa, motherfucker, all that good shit. And yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, vibing with me. Road to 1K. I don't know if we hit it by the time this came out. I'm only 60 away when this came out. This is the 21st of May when I recorded this. I don't know when I'm dropping this video, so hopefully by the time this comes out, we hit 1K. If we don't, help me get to 1K, please. I definitely greatly appreciate all y'all. Love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all be easy. Peace.